What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV, and yes, the Braves is back. You know what that means. I really don't know what that means, but yeah, ladies, if you're watching this and you're new here, I could potentially be your new boyfriend. So subscribe to the channel, hit that Instagram DM. But hold up, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, like this video, comment. I respond to all my comments, as well as we're on our way to 400 plus subs, so let's get it there. You see the title. I'm gonna get into the whole story about these shoes, what you should do, what you may not should do, whatever the case is. I'm gonna get into a whole bunch of stuff about this shoe. You see the title, just in case you don't know how it looks. I'm about to go over it and show you guys. It finally came in the mail yesterday. The men's pair came, and then a couple days ago the GS came. So I got them both now, and now we can film the video. So let's get right into the video, because I have a long day ahead of me. So no more wasting time. Let's get it. All right, so off rip, I don't know if I should go over the GS or men's more, but regardless, we got the GS right here. We have the men's pair right here, regular, typical Jordan box. So the GS is a size 6Y, I believe. You got a hiccup. 6Y, right? You can see the 6Y there. And then the men's 13. Boom. So let's just go over the GS first. You know, I'm a big fan of GS. Okay, so look. These sneakers, I'm holding them. Let's get that off rip. Maybe I shouldn't say that, because then people's going to listen and watch and probably do the same. Anyways, I'm holding these. My goal is to get 10 pairs. I have 2 right now. I could have had more, but Nike didn't want to bless me, and I had other people help me, and they didn't know what to do. They was panicking. I don't know, whatever. I always got to do stuff myself. It's okay. I'm going to give credit. My mom hit this GS. I hit the 13. I'm like, I don't know how. My other accounts didn't hit more. It is what it is, but I'm going to keep chasing them down until I get my 10 sizes. Okay, so here's the 6Y. I am holding these, like I just said. Bred low. Bred toe low, whatever. Bred low toes, whatever. Right here in the flesh. Jordan 1 lows right here. I want every GS pair that I can get. I want every men's pair I can get. So Nike recently dropped these finally. Once it drops on Nike app, that means chances are it's either gonna, usually, I think with this shoe, it's the opposite. For a long time, it hasn't been like that. So usually they'll drop stuff randomly. They'll be in stores, and then they'll make Nike, because you could tell, oh yeah, these lows, these mids, they're gonna make stores. But this time around, they barely hit stores, so like they dropped it on Nike app. So yeah, now I'm scared, because usually Nike, like I said, that's the last resort. But I haven't seen them in stores. No way, no how. But on my connects, I told them I need this shoe. I need 10 pairs, right? I got a size 13. This is a size 6. I'm going to go through the sizes that I want or need, and then we're going to go from there. So this is the GS right here, size 6Y. Nothing different from the men's pair, I believe. Got the logo in the back, the white and Jumpman. And yeah, if you can't look at this colorway and understand why you should hold it, I don't know what to tell you. Don't ask me. I mean, you can ask me. Maybe I'll respond to the first person, but I'm not answering no more questions about. Just look at the shoe. There's nothing else to say. Look at the shoe. Understand why I'm holding. Like I said, I need 10 pairs. That's all I want. 10 pairs. So that's the GS. Bred low toes, Bred toes. Regardless, that's that. Okay? That's the GS one. I would prefer 8 more GS. I don't really care about men's, but we'll get into that. So now the men's pair. Like I said, it's a size 13. Regular Jordan box, paper, all that stuff. Right? Oh yeah, I do gotta take out 2, because I gotta do the thumbnail for you guys. Oh, this shoe smells better. I smell the scent. Oh, it smells good. Okay, size 13. Let's get the thumbnail real quick. Boom. Okay, so let's get into the shoe. Like I said, Jordan 1 lows and mids, they're always a good hold. They're a safe hold, depending on colorway, obviously. But this is obviously off a Jordan 1 Classic right here. So there's not much really what to say about the shoe. That's why I'm holding. But for personal, they're also cool. It's just I can't get jiggy with lows. I never had lows. I never want lows, really, because, I mean, it does come laced up. So I could just put jeans over it and be like, boom. But then, you know, the back tells it all. But these are definitely a good shoe. long hold. I don't really care when to hold these. You could sell them at any point. You'll make money. You'll off rip make 30 bucks at least. But yeah, this is size 13. I was hoping I had at least a 12 as well, 11, whatever it is, and then we could go from there. But nice pickup. Finally, I touched a pair of these. I've been hunting them down for weeks to try to find them in stores and all that good stuff. So that's what I'm doing. And then, yeah, boom. That's how it looks. There's really not much different from a typical Bred low. I just wanted to finally show you these, just in case people don't know that they came out. Some people still don't understand. Oh, they dropped these. They might see it late and be like, oh, I didn't know, or I forgot. And then prices go up or it goes down, whatever it is. This is how it looks. The Bred toe Jordan 1 lows. So let me know what you guys think about in the comments. Do you like these? Would you cop these and say F the hype of the highs and all that good stuff? Can you get jiggy with this or not? I know I can't because I'm just not a fan of lows. I just don't like putting my jeans over and then it's like low. I don't even have really any low top sneakers, I think. But yeah, one final look. It's not nothing really inside, right? Regular white Jumpman, you can see in there a little bit. It's not red, it's literally black and white in there. White logo, Air Jordan, Jump Wingman. Yeah, and that's really it. Bred toe lows. Like I said, did you take a W or L? Are you now seeing this for the first time and now you want them, or you say this is a pass for you personally? Is it worth the hype? Is it not? L or W? Let me know in the comments. Like I said, I respond to all my comments. So that's it for me, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Any questions, leave a comment. I will get to it. Like this video. Share this channel. Share the video. Let's get more people to join the squad. And as always, I'll see you guys on the flip side. Ladies, hit that Instagram DM as well as everyone else. Check the main channel. Those 2 links down below. It's going to be down below in the description. So go check that out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And yeah. Thank you for watching. Your boy Lil Roy's out.